1970 Chevrolet Custom 10 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, turquoise lower half, top of the cab white. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. There's also a folder with receipts on a rebuild that was done in 2021, roller rockers, comp cam. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front here. Bumper looks good. Headlight surrounds grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website, clicking on that link down in the description. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels with the Chevy center caps and beauty rings, Cooper Cobra radials. As you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it. There's some spots. I mean, it does show its age a little bit, but don't get me wrong. This is still a truck that's going to turn some heads. Be a great one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see panels are nice and straight, and I haven't noticed anything major as far as, you know, nicks, dings, or scratches in the paint. Just some minor imperfections here and there, maybe just a little bit of older paint. But again, it still has a nice shine to it, still looks well. Bed liner sprayed in the box, so that is looking good there. Take a look from the rear to the front in this passenger side, and that is a long panel. It's nice and straight. Bright work trim pieces look good up and down the side of it. We'll get to the driver's side, check out the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. We're going to even take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email and get an idea of the condition of the rear bumper. Dual exhaust with the bow tie tips. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. TCI torque converter has been installed. The windshield and gaskets were done in 2024. And a few things underneath the hood that we're going to notice. It does have MSD ignition, a cold case aluminum radiator, and we'll get up there in just a bit. First, let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these early 70s pickups, whether it be a Ford or Chevy, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles are uploaded daily as far as their videos go. And when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor, of course. If you make it see us in person, you can see this driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Once again, did notice there was an imperfection on the hood, kind of wanted to point out. And again, this is getting awful fussy, but something like that right there, you can see it. One of those trucks, get in, turn the key, drive it, and go. Have some fun. Check out this interior a little closer. I did have the wipers working. Door panels painted to match the exterior. Do have a wear spot in the vinyl in the seat here, but black vinyl bent seat. Aftermarket water temp gauge. Tachometer on the steering column. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. This is a healthy sounding truck, no doubt. See the tach working. Oil pressure gauge down here. Temp gauge. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect it to be up. Battery gauge here. Door closes nicely. Come around to the back seat here, this run. Like I said, healthy sound and small block Chev. Alright, let me hood open so you take a peek at this engine bay. Let me go ahead and pause this, and then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We are going to take this vehicle for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Here it is. Again, cold case, aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, Hedman headers. Rebuilt Chevy small block back in 2021. Some miscellaneous receipts in a folder that are going to go with it. MSD ignition. Battery disconnect for in between drives or while it's in storage. '70 Chevrolet Custom 10. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Number to call 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet C10 in that great aqua color. The dash matching the paint color on the outside, has the doors and the headliner. Very nice color for this truck. On the column, an aftermarket tachometer working well. This truck sounds like it's ready to race. It has a great exhaust sound. This is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. Our speedometer is working well. Gauge showing less than a quarter of the tank. Battery is showing charging above half on the gauge. Both of our temperature gauges, however, are not reading. There's a factory one and one under the dash that is not reading. The oil pressure looking good over half the gauge, and it goes up quickly when you throttle up. Blower motor works, wipers work as well. My favorite thing though is the exhaust sound. It sounds great. Final bench seat in this truck. Brakes are very functional. They work with a slight push of the pedal. You're stopping very well, which is always a good thing to have. Little traffic today. This truck accelerates as if it may have a torque converter upgrade, in my opinion. Fun to drive truck. Horn even works. Check out all the pictures of this truck and learn more about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.